class 6. This is another video for the chapter number 9, and we are going to start from the page number 48. There we will be starting with the middle portion. From the middle portion we are going to start, and we have learned that George was very much he told the truth to those people who were about to take them. He told that yes, they were niggers and they were escaping from the place, and he also warned all those people that if they come closer to them, so he would shoot them. So Tom Loker, who was the head of the group, he was about to come, he was about to take, and they first started firing, and after that George missed also, but in return George also shoot when they were about to approach to them, about to approach all the niggers. So George, Eliza's husband, he was about to shoot. Okay, so when he was about to shoot, at that time, not about to shoot, sorry, he just fired, and that also hit Tom Loker, and Tom Loker just fell down from the rock, and all of the people who were about to take all those niggers, they were very much frightened, and they left, leaving Tom Loker behind. Okay, now we are going to start from the middle portion of the page number 48. So please everyone take out the book and turn to page number 48 and follow the video along with the book. Phineas and his men felt sorry for him and took him along with them. So all of these people, they it's not only Phineas, it's also the other people, they felt very, very sorry for Tom Loker, and so they decided that they would take Tom Loker with them. Soon they reached a farmhouse where they were warmly received and given breakfast. So soon they reached to a farmhouse, and they were very much warmly greeted by all these people, all the people of the farmhouse, and they got the breakfast also. Tom Loker was attended too. Tom Loker was also attended by those niggers and all the helpful people. They spent the night there. Tom Loker was so touched that these men had cared for him when his own party left him wounded and alone, that he decided to help them. So Tom Loker was very much moved by those niggers and all the helpers, all helping men, because Tom Loker was with those was with his people, and at the time of his crucial moment, all those people they left Tom Loker, but these people, they were helping Tom Loker. So by seeing this, Tom Loker was also moved. Now Tom Loker decided that he would help those niggers to go to Canada. He suggested that since they were looking for a young woman and a little boy, let the woman be dressed as a man and the boy as a girl. Now you can see that they were, that means those people, the authorities, they wanted George, Eliza, Harry. So George is a man, Eliza is a woman, and also Harry is a boy. So it was Tom Loker's idea. Tom Loker told them that if they disguise as George disguise as a woman, and Eliza, if Eliza disguise as a man, and the little boy, if he disguise as a little girl, so it would be very easier for those niggers to escape to Canada. So in this case, that means they would not able to find out, because they wanted to get that means George, who was a man. So if George would be there as a man also, then also it would be not any problem. It would not have any problem, because George was a man, but they wanted a woman. So if only Eliza changed herself, if only Eliza disguised herself, so it would be better. and if Harry would change herself as a disguise himself as a girl, so they would not able to find out. Okay, they would not have any suspicion. Okay, now they realized that what he said made sense. Eliza quickly changed into a male dress. So Eliza only, she just quickly changed into male dress. Then she chopped off her thick curly hair. Then what did she do? She just chopped off. Chopped off means, you know, that means she cut her hair. And generally, you know that we the ladies, if ladies they have the long hair, and the men they have short hair. So if Eliza cut her hair, so it would be easier for her to make herself as a man, to make herself disguise as a man. Okay, so Eliza just chopped off her hair, a thick curly hair, and made it as short as her husband. So her hair, that means Eliza's hair was cut, and she had short hair just like her husband. Harry was made to wear a girl's clothes. So Harry, who was a little boy, he also just wore a little girl's cloth. Okay, that means he also changed himself as a little girl. Harry, who was a boy, he was a little boy, he disguised as a little girl. Okay.